Good afternoon. This video that I'm going to make for you today is about how to create a new citation in NoodleTools. Specifically, let's say you read an article online and you would like to cite that article, you used it in your research. So let's take a look at how we might go about that. Now, first of all, I'm not going to show you how to get to NoodleTools again through our school's library website. You need to bookmark it, and you can go back to my other videos to see how to get into those. Instead, I'm going to start just from the point where you're signing in, okay? So you want to click Remember Me. Hopefully you've got your password saved and you want to sign in. Okay, so I have a couple different projects, and as you are using NoodleTools more and more, you will have more projects populating. You want to make sure you choose the right project. So this is a personal project that I have of a novel that I've been writing for a couple years. I've got 42 sources. That's not the one I'm talking about. I'm going to talk about this one right now. My Boys Without Names sample project that I created for you guys. Now, it's a little frustrating when you first log into your project. You're like, wait, where do I go to add a new source? Way at the top, there's a little button that I wish was bigger. Hey, NoodleTools, make that button bigger. Okay, so I click Sources. Now, again, the button is a little small, but at least it's green. Create New Citation. So if you remember, we chose Junior for this version of this tool at this point because you're still learning. It's going to give us a shorter list. But the first question is, where is it? Where did you go to find it? Did you go to a database? Did you go to a website? Did you get a print book that you could hold in your hand? Did you go to a lecture or a talk and you heard someone talking live? Did you get a file, an app, or an ebook, or another? Most likely, you're going to be rotating between these two and print, okay? Today, I'm talking about a website, an article that I read on the internet. Let's click Website and then Web Page. Okay. Let me show you now the original site that I would like to cite, or the website. I know, cite with an S that I would like to cite with a C. Confusing. It's this article here from USA Today, How You Can Help Fight the Honeybee Colony Collapse Disorder. Okay, so I'm going to go back here, NoodleTools. It's asking me for the URL. That is the incomplete website. So you can't see it right now. It's above the screen that I'm showing you, sorry. But you want to highlight the URL, which begins HTTP, copy the whole thing, and then paste it here into the URL box. Date of publication, let's go find out. Let's look around. USA Today Network, Sean Rossman, USA Today, Tribune, August 21st, 2018. Okay. Date of publication, August 21st, 2018. Most recent date of access, you just click the button today and it fills it in. Yeah. Okay. Web page, contributors, role. Let's look here. We want to find an author. Here he is, Sean Rossman. That's my author. So we're going to choose role, author. First name, Sean. Last name, Rossman. Suffix, that's like if he has junior or the third. Doesn't have that. Oops, we don't need another one. Sorry, delete. If you have more than one contributor, you would click here and it would give you a new line. Web page or document / article title. So I'm going to come up here. I'm going to highlight it. Control C. NoodleTools, Control V. Now, look, it popped up a little suggestion. The first letter of the words listed here should most likely be capitalized. Oops, come back. Unless they are in a language other than English. So you can help fight honeybee should all be capitalized. So I go back here and I go capital, 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 capital. Almost messed that up. Capital. I'm almost there. Yes, did it. Name of the website. So it says, name of the website. Provide the name of the website or project. Capitalize the first letter of the first word, last word, subtitle, and all principal words. Help with subtitles. There's little things you can click, but it's USA Today. That is the name of the site. USA Today. Publisher of the site. In this case, it is USA Today. They're one and the same, so you don't have to do it. If you notice, there's a star here, but not a star here, so we don't need to capitalize it. I don't know if down below they give you like a publisher of USA Today. That would be worthwhile sharing. Well, something that occurred to me. Sometimes there is a publisher, but for this, the purposes of this, the publisher is USA Today. They're one and the same. And then we click Save. Or if you are beginning your note-taking, you would click Save and add annotation. But let's just click Save. Okay, so come down here, website. Rossman, Sean, how you can help fight the honeybee colony collapse disorder. USA Today, August 21st. There's the website, Access 21st, 5th March 2019. You have now correctly cited in NoodleTools an article from an online newspaper. This would also work for any website, a web page within a website. Thanks, guys. If you have any questions, you know where to find me, or if you can't find me in person, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer it. Thanks.